Take a moment and close your eyes. Imagine trying to learn algebra, but you can't see any of the equations or graphs. For most visually impaired students, this is the reality. All these students should be able to learn math even without having the ability to see that well. Hello, my name is Rushil Ramkumar. The app that I created is called BrailleGenAI. It integrates artificial intelligence with Braille to make an app that's both interactive and accessible for all students. So these are the tools that I used. For my AI, I used Llama 3 and LLM from Meta. So now I'm going to show you how my app works. This app can take in three methods of input. I'm going to show you the first one, which is through Braille input. In Braille, there is a 2x3 grid that represents these dots called cells. My keyboard represents these cells as well. These can be turned on to represent when the cell is active or turned off to represent that the cell is not being used. So let's say I want to ask the question, what is I? So here, I'm going to first type in the letter for W that's represented with the Braille, and I'm going to do that over and over again until I get to the very end. So let's start with W.
Dot 4 click. Dot 6 click. Dot 3 click.
See, we typed in these characters, and now we have W.
Click to insert character. Inserted W.
When we click on that insert character button, we now have W on the input box. I'm going to do the same for the rest of the characters in this question. Now, before I type in the letter I want to tell you there's another way, a faster way, using the QWERTY keyboard on your computer right now to type in any Braille characters. The keys S, D, F, J, K, L on your QWERTY keyboard can be used to activate one of these cells. The S button will toggle this one.
Dot 1.
The D button will toggle this one.
Dot 2.
Your F button will toggle this one.
Dot 3.
And so on. So if I want to type in the letter I, it's going to be this one.
Dot 2. Dot 2. Dot 3.
These are the cells that need to be activated. So to start off, I'm going to click on the letter D. You watch my keyboard over here. And now you see this dot has been activated.
Dot 2.
Now we need to get this one over here. And to do that, I need to click on the letter F. And as you see, that's activated. Now I click on insert character.
Click inserted I.
And I've inserted I. And now to send this message to the AI, we click on the send button right here.
Click to send message. The letter I is a very special symbol in math, especially in algebra. It's called the imaginary unit. The imaginary unit I is defined as the square root of -1.
Another way the users can ask questions is to click on these questions over here. These questions are randomly generated whenever the user refreshes the app, and the user can just click on these questions to ask them. My vision is to enable visually impaired students to learn STEM using AI just like everyone else. This is Rushil Ramkumar. Thank you for listening.